Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to activate the Gemini AI Pro student offer. Totally free for 1 full year. This deal is available for university and college students, and it gives you full access to Google AI Pro plus 2 TB storage plus premium AI tools, all for zero cost until December 9th, 2025. So if you're a student, stay tuned. This one's a must-grab offer. Before we jump into the steps, here's what you'll unlock once your plan is active. Homework help and exam prep. Get answers to complex questions, summarize lessons, and even analyze entire textbooks up to 1,500 pages. Writing help. Generate essays, improve drafts, and structure arguments with Gemini's advanced writing tools. Video generation with Veo3. Type your idea, and Gemini creates dynamic videos using Google's Veo AI. Notebook LM access. Get 5 times more audio overviews and sources, perfect for study summaries. Whisk Animate. Turn still images into animated clips powered by Veo. Gemini and Gmail docs and more. Real-time help while writing, organizing, and brainstorming. 2 terabytes of storage. Extra space for Google Drive, Gmail, and Photos. Premium benefits, exclusive discounts, and expanded AI features across Google Workspace. All this completely free for 1 year. Insane, right? To claim this offer, you just need a valid university or college email address. That's it. No documents, no verification uploads, no hidden payments. All right, let's get your Gemini AI Pro student offer activated, step by step. Make sure to follow carefully. First, click the official link in the video description or pinned comment. It'll take you directly to the Gemini AI student offer page. On the page, click the blue Get Offer button. You'll be redirected to Google's offer portal. Now sign in using your personal Google account, not your student one. This is the account where your Gemini Pro plan will be activated. Next, click Verify Eligibility. A form will appear asking for your university details. Enter your full name, same as your student ID, university name, your official student email address, for example, name university edu, and your expected graduation year. Then click Verify Eligibility. After submitting, open your student email inbox. You'll get a verification email from Google, usually within a few minutes. Click the Verify Email button inside that message to confirm your student status. Once your email is verified, go back to the Gemini student offer page. Now click Get Student Offer again to continue setup. If you don't have a card linked to your Google account, it will ask you to add a debit or credit card. Don't worry, there are no actual charges. Sometimes Google will place a temporary hold of $1 or less to verify your card is valid, but it's automatically refunded within minutes. After verification, you'll see your Google AI Pro student subscription automatically created in your Google account settings. The billing page will show, next payment, 0 until 1 year after activation. That means your first charge will only occur after 12 months, and only if you choose to continue. Once activated, you'll receive a confirmation email saying, Welcome to Google AI Pro. Your student plan is now active. Now you can access Gemini AI Pro, Veo video generation, and 2 TB storage right away. Here's what you can do immediately after activation. You now have the complete Google AI ecosystem unlocked, for free. Just remember, this Gemini AI Pro student offer ends on December 9th, 2025. If you activate it after that date, you'll miss the free year, so do it now while it's still open. And that's it. You've officially activated your Gemini AI Pro student plan for 1 year, totally free. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps more students find this amazing deal before it expires. Stay creative, stay curious, and make the most of your Google AI Pro tools. See you in the next one.